When you're building those container gardens, there's 3 big things you need to know. And I have Angie here with me. Angie, tell me what they are.
Well, you need a thriller, something that's going to add height and drama to your patio pot. You need a filler.
Okay.
And
fill it in.
Fill it in. And you need a spiller, something that's going to kind of
cover up the pot a little.
Soften the edges.
All right.
And so we're going to
teach me how to do this.
So we've selected a pot based on the flowers that we're using right now and how many. So we want to do 2 of each, with the exception of the thriller. Just
now,
one going
that's
in
our
the
big
center.
focal point. And of course, we started with great soil.
Great soil.
We've got the proven winner soil here. Do we need to put any fertilizer in it? Throw some.
We're going to put some time release fertilizer in here.
This is exciting.
So based on the, I just read the instructions on the back of the container.
We love to read instructions.
We're going to put 4 scoops in here.
Not really, but okay. 4, that was 3. Now, you have unique. So we did 4. You have really unique containers, and we can name them as well, right?
We do.
Can I name this one?
Okay,
we'll have to figure it out. We have to figure it out at the end. Okay, so let's put in that thriller.
So for our thriller, we're going to use a coffee cup colocasia.
Love it. Okay. And why is it called that?
So that's going to go right in the center. Okay. And because we want this to be beautiful from all angles of the pot right now. So then we're going to move over to our fillers.
Okay.
So we'll start with the golden butterfly argyranthemum.
I do love that one.
It is beautiful.
My favorite color.
It is so beautiful. This color will maintain its vibrancy throughout the whole summer.
Look at that root system. Looks fantastic.
It's a fantastic root system. Something with proven winners, you do not need to crack the bottom of the pots.
Yeah.
So we want to have symmetry right now. So we are going to do one on this side, and
I got another one down here for you. This one matches.
All right, perfect. All right, Kelly, if you want to
put this one on this side, you got it. So we want a balance right now.
Something else you want to consider when you're planting up your patio pots is where it's going to be, the light requirements. And you want all of the components to be evenly matched.
Okay, so if it's everything is sunny, make sure all the plants are sunny. If everything is shady, make sure all the plants in your container are shady.
Absolutely.
That's success. So what do we have now?
So now we have Supertunia Vista Bubblegum. This is an amazing plant. This is so recognizable. So this can be used as a filler traditionally. We're going to use it as a spiller right now because it will trail over the edges a little bit.
You know, one thing I do when I know that that's a filler that I kind of want it to train over to the side, I just tip it a little more. Is that okay?
Absolutely. Let's do it.
All right. And are you putting it right next to the other one? Okay.
I am. We'll put it right next.
So we still have one more plant to put in here, right? We have one more space.
One more.
What would you like, my dear?
Let's go with the Luscious Royale Cosmo. It's a lantana.
So far we have a Cosmo, we have some bubble gum and coffee. Okay.
Yeah.
Let's
so
put
this
one
is actually a new variety this year for Proven Winners. And something that we're constantly doing is trialing new plants. And this combination that we're putting together is something that is old and new. Bubblegum is a classic. That's been a top seller for 12 years.
I have always planted it.
And this
Still love it.
What's so fantastic about the lantana is it's got 3 colors going on. It's yellow, pink, and magenta. And the smell, it smells fantastic. And this attracts butterflies and birds, and the hummingbirds absolutely loved this.
Oh, and I like how it's bringing in the combination of the pink and the yellow. This one really marries the whole thing together.
Absolutely.
Oh my gosh, this looks so good. Now we would fill the open spaces in with our Proven Winner soil.
With our potting soil.
And then we would water it in, right?
Yep, absolutely. And so the water-soluble fertilizer is fantastic. You know, plants need to be fed as much as they need water, and so that's really important. And you're going to see the plants be so much more floriferous when you use.
Whoa, that's a good word, floriferous. It's a good one.
Yeah, that is one thing. People drive by my house and they say, "What are you doing to have your plants be? They're constantly in bloom." And number 1, they're proven winners.
Sure.
Number 2, I'm constantly feeding them, and they love it, and they thrive off of it.
They are very hungry. So we have, what was the name of our thriller?
Coffee Cup Colocasia.
Okay, and this one?
Supertunia Vista Bubblegum.
And this one, the Cosmo?
That is Luscious Royale Cosmo.
Okay, so we've got coffee and Cosmo. Maybe we should call this Kelly's Coffee Cosmo Teeny. What do you think?
I think it's fantastic.
Oh, I love it too.